choose the right insurance plan with a detailed checklist. Many a times people buy wrong insurance plan for a wrong coverage and later regret. How can we avoid this? Welcome to Financial Planning 101, a roadmap to achieve your financial goals, episode 4. Hi, this is Ramalingam from holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors to take right financial decision to reach their financial goals faster and smarter. Choosing the right insurance plan. This is where a lot of misbuying or mis-selling happens. Let us see how we can put things in the right place and take right decision. Many times people think taking a life insurance policy, okay, let us not spend too much time on this. This is not like buying a stock or buying a mutual fund, so we can take a quick decision. People don't spend too much time. Simply they sign in the proposal given by their insurance agent or bank relationship manager, but later on they may spend too much time in regretting. Also, people think this is just an insurance, right? It's not a big deal. Why should I spend a lot of time in understanding, analyzing? It's not a big deal. This is where a small carelessness peeps into our mind, and later on we fall prey for wrong insurance plans. We need to be really careful about choosing the right insurance plan, because this is what is going to give protection to your family. Today you are there and giving a lifestyle to your family. Tomorrow, if you are not there, even then your family should be in a position to maintain a similar lifestyle. If you are not there, there will be definitely emotional suffering. There should not be any financial suffering. That will be compensated only by insurance policy. So you have to exercise adequate care in selecting the right insurance policy. Term insurance, go for a pure term insurance plan. No strings attached to it. No need to go for return of premium. No need to go for insurance come investment policies. Please go for plain vanilla pure term insurance policy, because the premium will be cheaper. I'm taking an example of someone who's at the age of 28, having an annual income of 6 lakhs. So based on the life cover requirement calculation which we have done in the previous video, in the previous episode, I have given you a downloadable calculator where if you simply enter your annual income and few other details, it will tell you how much life cover is needed. Based on that, what is the coverage needed is 55 lakhs is the coverage needed. So based on this, we are taking 55 lakhs coverage. For that, the premium is just 5,968 rupees only. But the life cover given to you is 55 lakhs. This is very simple, straightforward, plain vanilla, cost-effective way of doing it. Don't go for single premium, return of premium, insurance come investment policies. Please avoid, go for plain vanilla term insurance policies, because this is where people tend to make a lot of mistakes. People also think it is an expense and try to avoid it. But as a breadwinner, you are more important for the family. Protecting your life is more important, and that will help protect the lifestyle of the family. If you are serving your loan, then it becomes much more important. Then term insurance is the best choice for you if you are looking for a higher cover with a low premium. In this case, you are actually going for 55 lakhs cover. For 55 lakhs cover, just you are paying close to 6,000 rupees only at a low premium. So similar term insurance policy is what you have to look at in case you are looking for protection to your family and you are looking to cover your life. What are the key features, salient features of term insurance policy? Number one, affordability. It is easy to buy this life insurance, okay, because the premium is low. It is pocket friendly. This can be purchased through online as well as offline. I would strongly suggest you to go for an online policy because online policy is close to 40 to 60% cheaper. It is flexible, right? Based on your requirement, you can go for higher cover, or based on your requirement, you can go for lower cover. As it is a pure term insurance policy, you are taking an early retirement, then you can stop this policy. Now you have got a plan to work till 60, then you can take the term of 60 years. But you are retiring by 50 itself. Then in that case, you can discontinue this policy because there's no strings attached to it. That is the beauty of this term insurance policy. Pure death benefits, right? This gives you only death benefit, so no need to worry about the hidden charges involved in it. No need to look at other terms and conditions. Is it a pure term insurance policy? It is giving you death benefit straight away, simple. Now is the question, how to choose the right insurance plan. I have given you a special checklist, editorial checklist we have prepared. This checklist is available in the description box. It's a downloadable link. You can download and click it. It is a simple spreadsheet, very simple spreadsheet. If you could download that spreadsheet and we can discuss on that checklist, right? Now, what are all the essential things you have to look at when you are selecting this checklist? Let us see. First, when you are selecting an insurance company to buy term insurance, then how old the insurance company is. Is it a new one or is it an old one? So give a score. Older is better. Which mode of buying the policy is considered? Online or offline? Generally, online is better. You can compare both the premiums. Most of the times, online premiums are cheaper. Do you consider premium against the size of the life cover? If you increase the life cover, like whether the premium is going down, that you can check up. Based on that, you can decide what kind of life cover to go for. Then, what is the kind of claim settlement ratio the company has got? Higher the claim settlement ratio, it is better. Lower the claim settlement ratio, you have to avoid. Choose the top 5 insurance companies or top 7 insurance companies among the claim settlement ratio. Top 7. Choose one among the top 7 in the claim settlement ratio. If the company allows you to just to do only telemedical examination, telemedical examination is not actual health checkup. They will ask few questions over the phone. The medical practitioner will ask few interview questions related to your health condition. You will say yes, no, or like what are the specific answer? Have you gone through a surgery or special treatment? All those questions you will answer and they'll approve the policy. Means without doing the actual health checkup, by doing a medical examination interview over phone, they are giving you the policy, right? If this condition is available, I would strongly suggest you to avoid this because it's just a telemedical examination, not the actual health checkup. Later on, there is a possibility in the telemedical examination you have given the wrong answer, and because of that, like they are rejecting the claim. If it is real health checkup, the company cannot go back. So going for the actual health checkup in an hospital based on their report, the company accepts the policy, then like it's foolproof. There's no strings attached to it. There's no conditions attached to it. That way, avoid telemedical examination. Go only for hospital health checkup, and based on the report, let them accept your case. Then, if you have any health issues, if earlier you have taken treatment for something else, or if you have a habit of smoking, all those things please declare. Otherwise, later on, based on this, they may reject your claim also. There are many like glassy riders they attach to it. Only very few riders are really needed. Many of the riders are not needed. So please be careful about choosing the riders. Riders comes with a cost. Please understand that. Also, when you are buying term insurance, please buy only to match your retirement age. What is the main purpose of buying this insurance policy? I'm earning and providing a lifestyle. Tomorrow, if I am not there, family will financially suffer. Correct. After your retirement, there is no financial loss to the family. Family is not going to financially suffer because you have already completed your earning years and you have accumulated enough savings. So always match your term insurance policy with the retirement age. Then, what's the next point? Better to purchase earlier. As long as you have dependents, better to purchase your term insurance policy earlier. Don't delay it, because earlier you buy, the premium will be lower. Because it is cheaper and available like at a lower premium, when you don't have dependents, when you don't have any requirement for term insurance, don't buy. Right? When you have financial dependence, then buy at the earliest. When you are buying term insurance, please buy for the maximum value you actually need. What is the actual value you need? The thumb rule says like at least 10 times of your annual income, or I have given you a downloadable calculator in the previous video. You can check how much your life insurance coverage requirement. Based on that, go for it. Don't settle for 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 1 crore kind of cover. Do the actual calculation and find out what is the coverage needed. Go for. Many times people go for lesser life cover, which is not needed. Term insurance has got the flexibility to cancel the policy anytime if you are going for the annual premium. But if you have chosen a single premium policy where you have taken the policy for 30 years, after 5 years you want to cancel it, most of the times it is not possible. So I would strongly suggest you to go for annual premium policy, not a single premium policy. Then another important question that comes to our mind is, are the private insurance companies safe? Are they trustworthy? Do I have to invest only with LIC or other government or like backed players like SBI? All the insurance players, including LIC and other private players, they are well regulated by IRDA. So no question of these companies cheating or these companies like winding up, taking our money and running away. Those kind of situation will not emerge. It is well regulated. What are all the things you have to check up? Whether it is a private insurance company or a government company, what kind of customer service they provide, the level of customer service, check. There will be many ratings on the customer service. You can check up online now. And how quickly they settlement, how quickly they do the claim settlement, that you check up. Claim settlement ratio can be an indicator, and how the process is. Is it smooth, is it fast, that we have to check up. And how easy to track the claim status. Do we have to follow with them, or is there an app that can tell us, okay, this is where it is, it has moved to this level, this is moved to this level, this will be settled within 15 days, the courier is dispatched like that? Is it possible to track the status online? That you can check up. Many of the private insurance are providing this. And most of the private insurance policies, players provide buying term insurance policies online. Only recently, LIC has adopted online term insurance policies. And as I told you, strict IRDA guidelines are there. Because of this, I would strongly suggest you can consider equally private insurance players also. You do not restrict yourself to only LIC or other government-backed companies. You can consider private players also. Check other parameters and do it. Now we are through with the checklist. This could have helped you choose the right insurance policy. Now we can go back to the again regular presentation here. Now you have understood what are all the points in the checklist based on which you can choose the right term insurance plan for you. Let me give you as a summary what are all the benefits of going for term insurance plan before I close this video. Term insurance plan protects your family with the lifestyle you are providing as a breadwinner. So it gives you security to your family, and it is trustworthy because term insurance policies, even by private players, are well regulated by IRDA. And number three, it gives you peace of mind. Even if I'm not there, insurance company will settle the claim and my family will be financially secure. It gives you peace of mind. That peace of mind is something very much important for you. Right? Because of these reasons, please go for pure online term insurance policies. When you are signing up for the term insurance policy, please check the points I have given you in the checklist. If you have any questions on taking term insurance policies or any other investment options or achieving your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our certified financial planners. The link for booking the free appointment is given below this video in the description box. We regularly organize insightful investment webinars with third-party investment experts. Many of the investment strategies, wealth creation strategies are discussed during this webinar, and this webinar is completely free. If you want to participate in our next webinar, please click another link in the description box. Just leave your name and email ID. We will send you the link to the next upcoming webinar to you. Hope you like this video. I'll again meet you in yet another useful video. Thank you. Bye-bye.